Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix Roblox keeps crashing and freezing. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, want to clear the Roblox cache data, because sometimes cache data files can get corrupted, and if that's the case, it can cause issues such as crashing. So, first we open up the Start menu, and then we need to search for Run. Inside it, type in %local app data %/temp, and then we can just press OK. Now from this folder, we want to find the Roblox folder and then delete it. Now another thing we want to do is to make sure the Roblox servers are actually operational. Occasionally, the servers can go down for things like maintenance and could cause your game to crash. You can check this by opening a web browser and searching for status.roblox.com. Now you can see that there is a green message that says everything's operational, but if the Roblox servers were down or experiencing an issue, it would be listed here. Another easy solution that sometimes fixes the issue for players is to make sure you are running the app under administrator settings. To do this, simply come over to the Roblox app, right-click, and then we want to select Run as administrator. Now, a Windows pop-up may appear, so you simply need to select Yes. If none of the steps have helped so far, the next thing I suggest is to uninstall and reinstall the app. To do this, head to the Start menu and search for Add or Remove Program. Now, we're going to use this search feature to find the Roblox app. After that, we want to click these three little dots and hit Uninstall. Once done, we just need to head to a browser and head over to Roblox Download. We can click this download button and install it onto our PC. Another effective solution is to ensure that our graphic drivers are up to date. All we need to do is head over to the Start menu again, but this time we're going to search for drivers, and then we just want to select Device Manager. Inside it, we want to come down to Display Adapters and click on this little drop-down arrow. As you can see, my graphics card is listed here. So, all you need to do is right-click and select Update Driver. So that's basically how you can fix Roblox keeps crashing and freezing. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.